Hi guys, today I'm going to break down a little bit how you can contour your cheekbones. We're going to get to the products, we're going to get to the tools, and hopefully we'll give you a trick or two to get it right. The most important part of getting anything right is your tools. So if your tools aren't right, you're going to struggle to get the result that you're hoping for. It's not a very expensive tool, but this is the Morphe M438 brush. It's just my absolute favorite sculpting brush. It hugs the point of your cheek really well. So that's what we're going to apply our product with. The second thing is, what is the product itself? And I'm going to, give you all the options. If you don't want to get into buying the whole KVD kit, you can get refills. So this, for example, is a KVD refill. So it's just a metal pan, and with all the Z palettes and magnetic palettes that we all have, it shouldn't be so hard to house it. This is a color called Sombre, which is just, it's deeper than you think it's going to be. I use this even on medium tones, and the KVD range, they've got quite a lot, so you can sort of get warmer than this too, and you can just buy a couple of pans to try. The second thing I'm going to show you is LA Girl. I keep showing you guys this LA Girl Pro Contour Powder Highlight and Contour, and this is in fair. I also have it in medium. That's also really great for warmer skin. For myself, I'm obsessed with True Match, so I use True Match Golden Cappuccino, and this is Golden Beige, and I mix these two face powders to create my sculpt. So I'm going to show you how I do this I'll use the contour powder on one side and I'll use my face powders on the other. I'm going to use this very slightly, just go straight into the light color. And I'm just going to sculpt down anywhere where I want to brighten my face just a little bit. These are just kind of the front planes of the face that you want to brighten and clean up. Okay? Now either you can stick with the same brush or you can use another brush. I'm just going to whap off what I have and come in now with the contour. I'm just going to take a tiny dab of it and dragging the point forward. If I just smile at myself, I just have to catch the underneath of my cheekbone where I smile. And I want it to be soft as I come towards the apple of the cheek. And it's as simple as that. You just follow your smile. So if you see the apples of your cheek, just follow that line upwards or stroke it and bring it towards there, and then just soften it upwards and soften it downwards so it's believable. Do it again here. It's so simple. Smile and just sweep it upwards. And then soften it upwards, soften it downwards. Boom, cheekbones. It's really very simple. I'm going to contour the rest of your face, so around your hairline, your temples, on the back of your jaw, underneath of your jaw. Just give your face back the dimension that your foundation has taken away from it. It's really a very simple thing. I find that it looks really healthy to have your forehead skin be quite warm, because I actually notice that my forehead skin is warm. And when I do this for people, it just adds a little something. But be careful you don't create a stripe. Make sure to bring it down into your face. And you'll notice with an empty brush, I'm taking my time to sort of work these things in. I'm not taking more, I'm just pushing around what we have. Okay, on this side of my face, show you what I can achieve with just normal face powder. So that's the True Match in Golden Beige and in Cappuccino. I'm holding them both in my hand, and I'm just going to take a bit of this to just zhuzh up the cheekbone. I'm just going to take the medium one and just bury the contours a little bit. So now I'm going to take that medium and bury the contour. this is when you can see that the contouring starts to become a bit more invisible, and that's what I really like. I like contouring that doesn't show. It's contouring that looks like skin. So just remember, smile, follow the apple of that cheek upwards. So just remember, smile, follow the apple of that cheek upwards. That's kind of your spot, and then blend it up, blend it down, and there are your cheekbones. My favorite little trick to get my cheekbones to go boomph is to smile like this and to just think of it like, you know, where your laugh lines would be, or like where a ventriloquist dummy's lines would be. Just give yourself a little bit of clean, bright powder there, and it just makes your cheekbones look like they're dimpling, which we love. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that fun. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And thank you again so much for joining us.